Okay, so I had somebody ask me on my Facebook site how these clamps work and what to use them for. Well, you can use them for almost everything, but I mainly use them for routing. And if you want to route these straight line, then you just place it in the jig and you can route a straight line. So now I'm gonna set it up the way you use it. It's not rocket science, it's just simple. You have this as a table, this as a guide, and you place the thing you want to route on the line. Clamp the first one. You have the second line on the line, and then clamp it down, and then the middle too, clamp them down, and it's nice. This is only an example now, but if I would have really gone route this, I would have 1.5 mil from the line sawn this all, and then I can with the router, and it's simple and straight. And then you can unclamp it again, turn it around, and do the other side. I hope the man had some nice explanation, and for you watchers, you had yourself a free explanation of how these clamps work.